cases are increasing. So I don't know. I've not talked to the kids yet, but we are thinking that basically we had two options then. One to make a video and send it on WhatsApp to the building, but I'm thinking we do a live stream on YouTube.
On YouTube, first you need to make your YouTube channel. You need to verify your YouTube.
I've got
You
the
need to
channel.
fully verify.
Anushka,
Ma'am,
It's not important to have verify, na?
yes, ma'am.
Age,
Anushka,
age.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, and Bhaiya, can you keep quiet? Please do your personal talks on the phone. This is my classroom.
But you have to seriously get verification.
Age verification.
And I
You should be.
and Ayush, we have to cross 2 million, 2K subscribers if we have to do a live stream.
It's not that.
Ma'am, don't
Not
mind
that.
we can do live stream with any app because my brother also do that.
Yeah, it's not that. Okay, stop this topic. Anushka, I've received a message that you're not able to access your report card, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So please get in touch with the accounts department.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Vedi, you two,
Ma'am,
Vedi and Anushka. Yes, Khevna.
I have mailed you that my ERP is not working still, so I cannot even access my report cards.
Please mail Jyoti,
Mail
ma'am.
it if that's possible.
You have to mail ICT department and Jyoti.
Ma'am, my mother and I have
Did you do it today?
yeah. Ma'am, I reported like few days ago only because of these report cards and stuff. My it was assessments.
So mail her today now.
Right
There
now,
is an address. There is an address given there, no, in the announcement that I have made in the
actually
class.
for ERP, my mother has visited the school and come back with a lockdown only.
I know. I think we should make a new ID for you. Okay, so today we're starting with the direct and indirect speech. Who knows what is direct speech? What is direct speech?
ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Yash. What is direct speech?
Ma'am, direct is like we don't learn in that.
We don't.
Learn in that. Learn.
We don't learn in that.
Learn in that.
Yash, you have a bad connection today. I hardly can hear you.
Ma'am, I know what he's trying to say.
What is he saying, Ayush?
Ma'am, he's saying that direct speech is where you don't learn the speech beforehand. Just say what is in your mind. That's not what I'm saying. That's what he's saying.
Vivan Balchandani, the headache boy, please keep your mic off so that we don't have a headache.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
He's not well.
Yes, ma'am.
इसकी तबीयत ठीक
So
नहीं है.
I told him that he's having a headache. Anyways, he will not feel like understanding anything. Don't attend the class.
No, ma'am. आज उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. वो सुन रहा है, सब लिख रहा है, पर वो ऐसा ही लेटा हुआ है.
ठीक है.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so what is direct speech? Freya. Yeah, Freya, tell me. What is direct speech?
And direct speech means like with saying properly said by the speaker and said in person, not like written or something.
Okay. Aryaman.
Ma'am, direct speech like with no commas. Like if I'm writing something and if I'm saying, so I've said directly like I have this all thing, so I have not put comma. So it's whole. I've said whole direct.
Ma'am, direct speech means you are putting commas, full stop, you are saying a statement with all the punctuation marks. Indirect speech do not have anything, and you put after reporting verb, you put he said that. I suppose there is a sentence he said to me to get a COVID test. So it will be he told me to get a COVID test.
Okay. So another word for direct speech is reported speech. What do you mean by reported speech? When we are telling a third person what the, okay, for example, two people are having a conversation. Okay. For example, it's Khevna and I are having a conversation. So what Khevna told to me, I am telling to Smriti. So I will quote the exact words that she said to me. Okay. I will quote the exact words that she told to me in the inverted commas. So that's also called dialogue. A sentence which is in inverted commas, which is in the beginning and in the end, is called what? Dialogue. Okay.
Am I
So that
visible
is
from my
called
second device?
what, Anushka?
Am I visible from my second device?
Yeah, you're visible on one and audible on the other. So, reported speech means that you are telling what the other person told to you. Okay, and you're not changing any words in it. You're not adding any words to it. You're not removing any words from it. You're exactly saying what that person said to you. So that's why it is also called reported speech. That person told to you, and you're reporting it to the third person. Okay, you're reporting it to the third person.
So reporting is direct speech.
Direct speech, reporting speech, same thing.
So ma'am, it should be indirect, huh?
Indirect, no. When you're reporting speech, it should be the exact dialogue that somebody said.
All right.
Ma'am, can I say?
The principle. Yes, Freya.
Ma'am, so direct speech is reporting speech, and reporting speech is direct speech.
It's another name for it. It's another name for it. Okay. Read the
Excuse
following
me, Kathy.
sentences. Yes, Daria.
Am I visible?
No. The
I
principal
don't.
announced tomorrow is a holiday. So, what did the principal announce? These are the exact words that he said in the assembly. So, if someone was absent in the assembly and he asks you, hey, I did not attend the assembly today, what did the principal announce? So, you will say, the principal announced tomorrow is a holiday. Now, if I want to convert it into indirect speech, I will change the tense of the sentence and I will also add. Yes, Arna.
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Okay, what is the answer?
The principal said that the following day will be holiday.
So you are changing tomorrow to following day, or you can also use the next day. You're changing tomorrow to the next day. If it was yesterday, you can use the previous day. Announced can remain the same or can be changed to told. So these are some little changes that you need to make when you're changing a sentence which is in inverted commas to a sentence which is not in inverted commas. Another thing that you add is the word that. The word that. Okay. So the principal announced tomorrow is a holiday. In this sentence, the words within quotation marks are the exact words spoken by the speaker. These words are in direct speech. In direct speech, the exact words of the speaker are put within inverted commas. The reporting verb introduces the quoted words. The first word within the inverted commas begins with a capital letter. Now, just notice in the first sentence, the principal announced, comma, inverted commas begin. The first letter is capital. Do we ever put a capital after comma? Do we ever put a capital after comma? Usually we do not, right? Usually we follow the rule that after a sentence has ended, we put a full stop and then we begin the next sentence with a capital letter, right? But in this one, you have to remember that when you are reporting the speech, it has to be in inverted commas and the first alphabet has to be capitalized. A comma separates the quoted words from the rest of the sentence. A comma is put to distinguish the speaker and the sentence. The speaker and the sentence. So the principal announced, or he said, she said, they said. So
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
it is the speaker, and after the comma is the dialogue. Yes, Ariman.
Ma'am, the doubt is, ma'am, when I read the books, some of the books is written when they put a sentence, then after, then they put comma, then a capital letter. I've seen in the much of books that that it is written like that, and more some books.
Say again. I'm not getting the question.
When I read books, some books have like a sentence and a comma, then they put a capital letter. But you said after comma, we don't put a capital letter.
Yeah, do we put capital letters after comma?
But ma'am, some of the books have this.
So that's what I'm saying. When we are, suppose you're reading a storybook which has dialogues. Okay, storybooks,
Harry
storybook
Potter.
which has, so yeah, if you see a Harry Potter book which has dialogues, you will see a lot of dialogues in inverted commas. So the first letter, if it is go to your room, so G will be capital.
Yes.
It
Ma'am,
should not be capital, but since it is in reported speech, in direct speech, the G will be capital after the comma.
ma'am, I've seen this, that what happens is that if like Harry Potter is living in a tent.
Huh? Harry Potter?
Harry Potter in seventh part he's living in a tent because he run because of Voldemort and all. So in that part, like Ron is being a lot of sarcastic. So Ron said, "Yeah, let's go to Albania. They are finding a hotel now, so let's go to Albania. It will take only one afternoon to find." So the first letter is capital.
So let's go to Armenia. So L should be capital then.
Ma'am, because it's a proper noun.
Let's is a proper noun,
That's
Dhairya.
why.
Let's is a proper noun, Dhairya.
No, ma'am, I'm talking about, he said na, that the capital letter is there in Albania, that's why.
Ma'am, it's like Ron said sarcastically, inverted comma. "Oh yeah, let's go to Albania. It won't take. It will just only take a single afternoon to search an entire country."
So
It's
the
been
word,
sarcastic.
the first alphabet of the letter let's will be capital, and it's not a proper noun.
And ma'am, in that Ron said sarcastically, R is capital.
Yeah, R is capital because Ron is a name.
Yeah, and S is
Armenia, capital.
Albania, A capital.
Proper nouns will always be in capital, but what we are trying to understand and remember here is that when you begin a reported speech, when you begin an inverted commas, the first alphabet of the letter will be capital. Got it? You have to just remember this.
Ma'am, Priya is showing a book. I
Check.
think.
Ma'am, here,
Check the
here
sentence.
it's written. Here
What?
it's written, I may be out of touch for a couple of days. So the first I is capital, and below that also.
Okay. So Sheila said, comma, I am leaving at 6 p.m. So when I say Sheila said I am leaving at 6 p.m., that doesn't mean I am leaving at 6 p.m. What am I trying to tell you? That Sheila is leaving at 6 p.m. If I'm using the word I, that doesn't mean I am leaving. Catherine is leaving at 6 p.m. No, Sheila is leaving at 6 p.m. That's why it is called the reported speech. I am saying the exact words. So that's why I'm putting it in inverted commas. Sheila said, I am leaving at 6 p.m. So who is Sheila? Sheila is the speaker. What is the reporting verb? Said.
Said.
What is the action being done? Said. And what did she say? What are the quoted words? What is the dialogue? I am leaving
I'm
at
leaving
6
at 6
p.m.
p.m.
Got it, everyone? Any doubt till here? Okay. Direct speech can be reported by the listener to the third person later. So who heard this? The first person heard it. So who's the first person? He's the listener. He's not the speaker, right? I did not say I am leaving at 6 p.m. I heard Sheila saying that I am leaving at 6 p.m. So I am the listener. Sheila is the speaker, and I am telling it to a third person. This is called direct speech can be reported by the listener to a third person later. This is called indirect speech. Now, when we are converting and removing the inverted commas, it will become Sheila said that, okay, instead of comma, what are we going to put? That. What are we going to put? That. All the people who are sitting with the cameras off, now you people are getting 0 in this topic till grade 10. Because this is going to go till
Ma'am,
grade
now
12.
can you hear me?
So don't listen. That's my advice. Don't listen to the rules. To Isha, Jahan, Rahil, Migdad, Vivan. Sit with your cameras off. Make a quilt and go to sleep.
Another device. Catherine, ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Show me your books, all of you.
Ma'am, you can see me from another device.
Twisha, yes. I can see you. Migdad has gone to fetch his book.
No, ma'am.
Dhyan Dalal, camera off.
The camera is not running.
It's a very fine day.
Let me try to change the internet.
Dhyan Dalal, why are you switching it off and on?
Ma'am, when I put my book on the laptop, it accidentally did. Ma'am, it was on till now. Yes.
Laptop has magic buttons.
No, I kept my notebook so.
Ma'am, control E gets the camera off. Control
Ma'am, Diana is eating.
Dhyan is-
CTF plus E.
Yes.
Control plus E does that camera off.
Or he could have pressed Alt F4.
Is this a computer class, Ayush?
No, ma'am, I'm saying that he's not giving an excuse. I'm saying that. Actually
So
happened.
no. His book pressed Control plus E together. Wow. What an experiment.
That cannot happen. That cannot happen.
Ma'am, I don't do like that. I have a from you. Scroll
Ma'am, can
that
we put our
person,
books
from that I
down?
do that.
Yes, please. Okay, so the points that we need to keep in mind To change a sentence to indirect speech, follow these steps. Spot the reporting verb and recognize its tense. Whether it is, most of the times we can use past tense if we are reporting it to a third person, because she had already said that thing to me, right? So it will be said. She said. He said. Recognize the tense of the verb in direct speech. Follow the rules explained in the next section. Yes, Ariman.
So, ma'am, we can say like she said that I will go for a play.
Okay.
So
She said that I will go for a play. You are using both the speeches, direct also and indirect also.
no, ma'am, I'm just asking that like she said in the past, but she will do in the future. So that should be a difference, no?
See, she said that I will go to play. Check the sentence.
I will go for the play. It will come.
Go to play. I'll go to play. Okay. Is
Okay.
it correct?
No, ma'am.
She said that I will go to play. I is who here? She or you?
She.
She. So she said that she will go to play. Why will you go to play? Huh?
Ma'am, but in the principal, ma'am, but she said that I will go for a play. So I'll just say that she said that I will go for a play.
You're mixing the two speeches. If you want to say you heard it from her and you want to tell me, you will write she said, comma, inverted commas begin. I.
So there will be inverted comma. So we like
Then after inverted comma, there will be she will go to play.
So ma'am, it will
Check
not
the
make
chat
it.
box.
Ma'am, so that's what Ariman said. She said, I will go to play.
He's saying she said that. When you put that, that's indirect speech.
That's indirect speech.
You cannot
So,
use
ma'am,
that and I together.
Ma'am, you told that she said past, but she will go. She will go for play in future. So that
I
should
am
be.
saying first you need to check the tense. So if you are saying she said I will go to play, so that means future tense.
Okay.
You have to check the sentence properly first. You are using I will. So this is reported speech. She said I will go to play. Now when I'm converting this into indirect speech, then I will write she said, instead of comma I will use the word that. I will become she will become would.
Would.
She would go to play.
Okay.
Will go to play. Got it?
Yes,
Got
ma'am.
it, all of you? Okay. Now look at the rules. Tense changes. How do you change the tense? Please understand properly. This is going to go till 10th grade. And the rules are going to remain the same. They're not going to change. Reporting verb is in the present tense. If the reporting verb is in present tense, do not change the verbs in the quoted words. So the quoted words, the teacher says the English test is on Wednesday. Okay? The teacher says. What does that mean?
Present.
That the
Present tense.
present tense.
Ma'am,
That
the
the
teacher's
class
report.
that the class is still going on, right? That the class is still going on. The teacher says, somebody did not hear it, okay? My partner did not hear what the teacher said. So he asked me, what did the teacher say? The teacher says, the English test is on Wednesday. Now, if I, what is this? This is the reported speech. I am quoting the exact words said by the teacher. You ask me, I had gone to the washroom and I asked someone, what did the teacher say? The teacher says the English test is on Wednesday. So it is still to happen, right? Maybe today is Monday or Tuesday. So the English test is on Wednesday. So which tense is it? Present tense. Says also tells us that it's present tense, and is also tells us that it is what? Present tense. Now, if I have to change it into indirect speech, give me the example. Mm, give me an example. The teacher says, comma, inverted commas open, get a, please get a dice in the next class, in the next English class. So how will you tell this to a person who was not present in the class at that time?
Ma'am, can you please repeat what did you said?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Ayush.
ma'am, the the English teacher said that please bring a dice. Sorry, the English teacher said please bring a dice tomorrow in the class.
To please bring a dice the next day in the class. Tomorrow also has to be changed. Okay. Tomorrow also has to be changed.
So, ma'am,
Now look at the example again. The teacher says the English test is on Wednesday. Look at the indirect speech. The teacher says comma is replaced by what? Comma gets replaced by what?
that
That. Comma gets replaced by that.
That.
The teacher says that the English test is on Wednesday. Why am I not changing the test? Please tell me. Why did I not
Ma'am,
change? Yeah, there.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in that you asked Ayush, so we could not say the teacher said to bring the dice next day because it is specified that English teacher's class going on, so we cannot say the teacher say said we have to bring a please bring a dice to next day.
The next day. Yeah, the next day. Tomorrow means the next day.
As I was asking, we can directly say that the teacher said because it is already because if English teacher says so, it might be English class only going on.
The teacher says that please bring a dice the next day. Please bring a dice to the class the next day. Okay. Okay. What was my question? The English test is on Wednesday. Why am I not changing the tense? If I write, the teacher says, and this has already happened, right? The teacher says that the English test will be on Wednesday or was on Wednesday. Will it be right?
No.
So we are not
No,
changing the
ma'am.
tense at all when the tense is in present tense.
Can
Is
I
this
answer?
clear? Yes, Priya.
Yes.
Ma'am, instead of using says that, we can use said. The teacher said the English test is on Wednesday.
So said will become past tense, bacha.
Yeah,
Says
so
means
the person will be absent, so he will
that
know the
person
teacher said
is
yesterday.
the person is attending the class is still going on, it is present tense, understand the situation, but that person did not hear it properly, so he's asking you. So you will tell the teacher says that the English test is on Wednesday. She's informing, right? The children come prepared for the class, the English test is on Wednesday. It's all happening right now. This conversation is happening right now in the English class in front of the English teacher. Got it? Okay.
Yes,
Time is
ma'am.
up. Time is up. Children, today onwards, we're not going to have the HRM and the reading slot. Okay, please remember, don't log in for the HRM and the reading slot.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
will let you know when it's going to happen next. Okay, and please revise the rules and come tomorrow. I want you to read the rules that are given on page 103, and I want you to go through this green box which is given on page 103.
Ma-
You have to learn it. You have
Ma'am,
to learn it. Yes, Ekaj.
ma'am, I have a doubt. Like, if you are in the class, Ayush is also in the class, and I am also in the class. You said that tomorrow is a test. So Ayush has a network issue and he left. So he would phone me. He would phone me and ask me, "What did the teacher said?" So I will
Then
say
it will
that,
become past tense. He was not in the class when I announced this.
yeah.
He had left, no? You said that he had a network issue and he left. And he's calling you like after some time. So it will become past tense. So you will tell him, he will ask, what did the teacher say in the class today? So
Yeah.
you will
What
say, the teacher said, you will make it past
that
tense. The teacher
that
said,
that tomorrow is a test.
the next day. Tomorrow
The
will
next
become
day
what?
is a test.
Tomorrow
The
will
next day.
become the next day or the following day. Okay.
So
Next
ma'am,
day.
so ma'am, you would be the means what you said. It would be the direct speech.
What I said will be direct speech. What you are
And
telling to
what?
Ayush is indirect speech.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush.
ma'am, I will never call him. I will, nahi. He said I will never
Okay,
phone him.
children, the class is over.
Ma'am, I
Get
will never
ready for
phone
the
him. How
next
can I
class,
phone
please.
him? I can only call him.
Thank
He
you.
said,
Bye, ma'am.
never
Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Bye,
phone
ma'am.
him.
Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a
Bye.
nice
Bye.
day.
Bye.